Hello, and a pleasure to have you here. According to a report by Sahara Reporters, the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has alleged that there is a coordinated plot to assassinate its leader, Nnamdi Kanu, following controversial comments made during a television program. The group also announced plans to institute legal proceedings against News Central Television and several individuals, including Reno Omokri, over what it described as defamatory statement concerning Kanu. The development has intensified an already heated debate surrounding the IPOB leader, whose case continues to generate strong political and legal reactions across Nigeria. The latest controversy began after entrepreneur Chigozie Nnabukwu appeared on News Central Television's Breakfast Extra program, where he argued that the Nigerian government should execute Kanu. According to Sahara Reporters, Nnabukwu claimed that insecurity in the southeast has reduced following the arrest of prominent pro-Biafra figures and suggested that Kanu's death would further restore peace in the region. During the program, he stated, "If Nnamdi Kanu is dead today, if the government of Nigeria will kill Nnamdi Kanu, trust me, normalcy will start coming. That's all every Igbo man prays for." His remarks immediately triggered widespread reaction, particularly from IPOB supporters. In a statement signed by its spokesman, Ima Powerful, IPOB described the comments as dangerous and accused Nnabukwu of promoting what is called an unlawful call for extrajudicial killing of its leader. The organization argued that the remarks were not merely personal opinions, but formed part of a broader campaign to demonize Kanu and weaken the Biafra movement. IPOB claimed that similar narratives have repeatedly emerged whenever it believes the movement has recorded significant legal or political progress, although it did not present evidence supporting the existence of a coordinated assassination plot. The group further alleged that successive attempts had been made to eliminate Kanu in the past and claimed that he had repeatedly rejected offers of freedom in exchange for abandoning the Biafra cause. According to IPOB, Kanu remained committed to the movement despite years of detention and pressure to re-announce its objectives. Sahara Reporters reported that the organization claimed Kanu had refused multiple opportunities to secure his release because, according to IPOB, he chose to remain committed to the cause it represents. These assertions reflect IPOB's positions and have not been independently verified by the authorities. IPOB also disputed claims linking Kanu to insecurity in the southeast. The organization argued that the region only descended into widespread violence after Kanu's arrest and extraordinary rendition to Nigeria in June 2021. According to the group, criminal activities in the southeast were orchestrated to discredit IPOB and weaken public support for its campaign. Nigerian authorities, however, have consistently maintained that criminal elements are responsible for many violent attacks in the region and have repeatedly linked numerous incidents to IPOB and its armed wings, the Eastern Security Network, ESN. IPOB has consistently denied responsibility for those attacks. Beyond rejecting the allegation, IPOB announced that it intends to pursue legal actions against News Central Television, Chigozie Nnabukwu, Reno Omokri, former presidential aide Bashir Ahmad, Lolo Nneka Chimeze, and other unnamed individuals. According to the statements, the organization believes that these individuals have made defamatory statements about Kanu and should present evidence in court to support their claims. IPOB said the legal process would provide an opportunity for the issue to be examined publicly rather than through media commentary or political rhetoric. The organization also used a statement to rally its supporters, urging them to remain committed to its campaign despite what it described as a sustained intimidation. IPOB encouraged members to continue promoting what it considers the truth about movement and reiterated its long-standing demand for a referendum on the future of the region. In addition, the group warned that it will hold those it considers responsible accountable if any harm came to Kanu. That warning forms part of IPOB's official position, but does not indicate that any such event is imminent. The latest exchange illustrates how deeply polarized public discussion surrounding Nnamdi Kanu remains. His detention and legal proceedings have continued to divide opinion across Nigeria, with supporters arguing that his rights have been violated while others contend that the allegations against him should be addressed through the judicial process. Public statements calling for violence against any individual can further inflame already sensitive tensions, just as allegations of assassination plots can heighten public anxiety when they are not supported by independently verified evidence. At this stage, the central facts are the IPOB has publicly alleged a coordinated plot against its leader, condemned comments made during a television broadcast, and announced plans to seek legal redress against several individuals and a television station. The allegations made by IPOB remain its claims, while those accused have not responded within the context of the reports. Whether the threatened lawsuits proceed and how the court address any resulting legal disputes will become clearer in weeks ahead. Until then, the controversy is likely to remain part of the wider national conversation surrounding Nnamdi Kanu, freedom of expression, public commentary, and continued legal and political issues connected to IPOB leader. I'm Chimezrim Okoro, and thanks for watching.